Good afternoon, my name is David Lane. I'm with Bulldog Rooter. Today's date is July 10th, 2017, and I'm about to perform a video inspection of the main line of 558 East Dalton Avenue here in Spokane, Washington. What we're looking at right here is a little bit of an offset, and you can see the left side of the screen, the abrupt edge there, and that's the end of the main line, and the cavern down inside there is the city sewer. I was unable to pop over that offset with the camera, so we're just going to go ahead and camera from here. I'm going to give you a footage count from the city sewer back. That section of pipe that's offset a bit, that is the hub, and the hub is what connects your main line to your city sewer. And the homeowner is responsible for everything from the hub back. The pipe looks to be in pretty good shape. It is not backed up. The toilet flushes are entering the city sewer. Now there is a couple of root intrusions that just need to get a cabling and should be good to go. I'm pulling back into 6-inch clay tile pipe. The most problematic areas with clay tile is the joints. They offset like we saw there at the hub, and they oftentimes separate as well. And we'll see there's a joint, there's just a bit of an offset and separation, nothing to be concerned about, but you could see how earlier on in the video how they can offset. The good news is on that offset in the beginning, that's on like a vertical run down, which is a lot more grade than the pipe we're sitting in right now, so the water will not be pooling as much there. So if you were to have an offset of that caliber, it's in a good spot. A little bit of an offset there. We rely on a 1/4-inch drop per linear foot. Anytime there's standing water in our main line, that's cause for concern. That means our wastewater, solid waste, toilet paper and such is not going to make it out there. Bit of an offset here, not a lot of water pooling, which is a good thing. Continuing to pull back here. We flushed the toilet upstairs and it looks like there's a bit of debris in the toilet. That's what we're seeing there, is toilet paper and such. And here we come into the first root intrusion. Now this is just toilet paper and things that have gotten caught on the roots. And you can see how it's growing down the pipe there. Like I said, just a cabling. You guys should be able to get it done in under an hour. That's that's probably the largest root intrusion in this pipe right here. Again, it's just at one of the joints. Come in here with a 3-inch cutting blade and should be able to clean it up fairly well. A little bit more roots there, and some growing down the pipe here. This will be a good before and after. Once this pipe gets cleaned up, it'll look like night and day, because the roots actually look a lot more significant than they actually are. We're able to clean those out with precision. We're about 52 feet from the city sewer. Bit of a root intrusion there, not too much at all. Still in clay tile. Around the transition here. Looks like we tee up there. I'm going to have to pull the permit up. Just one moment. I'm going to pause the video inspection.